What is a factorial? The factorial of a non-negative integer is a product of that integer and all the integers below it. So factorial 4 is a product of 4 and all the integers below it. So factorial 4 is 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, or 24. We can also write factorial 4 as 4 times factorial 3. And this expression can be written as factorial 4 divided by factorial 3 is 4. Now the factorial of a number is very useful in algebra, in doing permutation, combinations. So we shall look at factorials with that point in view. For example, the factorial of the number n is the number of ways we can arrange n discrete objects in a sequence. So factorial 4 is the number of ways in which we can arrange 4 objects in a sequence. So suppose you had 4 different textbooks and you were asked how many ways can you arrange these books on a shelf. The answer would be factorial 4 or 24. Now how about factorial 0? Now the question is, in how many ways can you arrange 0 objects? Well, by convention, we define factorial 0 as 1 because the only way to arrange 0 objects is to leave everything else in place. Or in other words, when you're arranging 0 objects because you have nothing to permute, you have one way to leave everything in place. So those are some of the facts on factorial, and a factorial can be very useful because we can represent very large numbers by a very small number. Try to imagine what factorial of 1 million would be. Something for you to think about.